Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can find out in the article that we are trying to publish in a journal, is the journal listed in the UGC CARE. So for that we will go into the home page of UGC CARE. So I type UGC CARE list in the address bar and I click on to the ugccare.uni.pune.ac.in. So I am in the home page of UGC and it will give me the basic details in the front page itself. So to get into the more details of it, we need to log in. So I have the username and password, but if you don't have the user ID and password, you need to register it, which is free of cost. So once we type the username and the password, we get into the home page again. The only difference is instead of login, it comes out logout over here. And now to find out whether to publish in this article, but publish in this journal or not, or if I am not aware of any journal in this particular field, how to find out. So here in this, if you click on the select, we have we can search out using the title. The journals we can search using the title, ISSN number, publisher, subject, language of publication. So here I am using the subject for the search because I am not aware of any article in this particular subject. So I use my subject management and I want to look into all the articles that are listed in the UGC CARE in the subject of management. So there are nearly 68 journals in this particular subject. So it gives us the full details like journal title, publisher, ISSN number and EISSN number and the action. The action shows that whether the journal is still existing or listed in the UGC CARE or it has been discontinued. So it also shows the discontinued year, and if the journal is listed or indexed in the Scopus, it is mentioned over here. So we look into one of the journal, that is International Journal of Online Marketing, which has been published by IGI Global and it has got the ISSN number as well as EISSN number, and we'll click on the view button. So we get into the journal details of this particular journal. So this is the home page of International Journal of Online Marketing. This is the home page, and this it shows that the submission to acceptance is approximately 11 to 15 weeks, and acceptance to publication comes out approximately to 15 to 19 weeks, and the acceptance rate is going to be 24%, which means that 24% chances are there for the article to be published in this particular journal. And we can also see that it is indexed in Web of Science and it is a quarterly article, and there are various other details given regarding the journal. So we can go into the detail of it, and here they are also given us how we can go in for the submission, the procedures for submission. It is charged journal where you have to pay the processing charges for publication of the article. So once it has been reviewed and accepted by the editor, then we have to pay the publisher or publishing fees, and after that only it will be published. And there is an option which is given over here which is called as the APC subsidizing and waiver. Like article processing charges can be subsidized or waivers. So if the researchers has a constraint in charges, they can write to the editors and they can clarify this. And there is a detail option called as the learn more, where the authors can click on that and get the details. There one more article, one more journal we will look into is IPE Journal of Management. Here this is the details of the IPE Journal of Management, and this is the home page of that. So here also we can look into all those details, and if we are not getting the details in detail, then we can write to the publisher itself and find out the details. So hope this video was useful to all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.